Pawleys Island peeps. Today is Sunday, September 12th, 2021. And it is time for your Pawleys Island sunrise and surf report with Dave Clayton, Lisa Clayton, Chelsea Clayton, and our new little offer paws friend. This is Short Stack. Come here, buddy. He's a little quick. Sorry, trying to get his little face for you. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. We'll talk more about him in a few minutes, but we're on shell access. We're headed up to the beach. Now, in getting our information, the waves are about 1 foot and 10 seconds apart. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Debbie. But it doesn't sound like 1 foot waves. It sounds like they're crashing. And 1 foot doesn't usually sound quite that fierce. Okay. Yes, beautiful colors this morning. The air is about 71 degrees. Started out at 67. You can tell the sand is very cool as you walk in it. But the water is 81. That's the fun thing about coming out in the mornings. You walk down here and go straight to the water and warm your toes. And to you, Gail. Morning, Carol. I said, I always love coming in on shell. Greg's here. Good morning, Laurel. Now, I have to be honest, it's just Chelsea and I. I let Mr. Dave have some extra time this morning. It is low tide right now as we speak. But you know, as I was walking out this morning, he was kind of groggy and giving me instructions. Like, I don't know how to do this, huh? But we got a nice big beach. Yes, sir. He's snoozing. Hopefully. I have his phone, so he can't do anything else. I'll give you guys a beach view. It's a beautiful big beach this morning. Okay, sorry everyone. That is the one thing about the beach. You never know about your signal and connection. I kept walking looking for something. I'm sorry. Jobo, come on. Let her bring short stack over here in just a second. So you've got sunrise at 6:58. Sunset is at 7:26 this morning. All right, buddy. So, say good morning, all. He's so cute. He's about 1.5 years old. I love his coloring. Like the browns, and he is ready to play. He looks like what?
He looks like Halloween.
He looks like Halloween.
Orange in the back. Dining colors.
He's actually very good with children. He's very gentle. So, because he's so short, he'd be great. He's ready to go play. He is ready to go play. We're going to have a beautiful day today. Of course, fishing, I think I said fishing was very, very good. We had a lot of fishing on the bridge coming over. There's a UV of 8. Morning, Diane. Winds are out of the northwest, which you can feel, because you can feel there is just a slight breeze, and it's chilly. Morning, William. There's a seagull over here. Good morning, Victor. Oh, goodness. Calm down, little one. Pray you and your wonderful wife are doing well. I know you've been busy. Family gets a little bigger. Calm down. What do you think, buddy? He is so ready to play. I know. We have a little Shih Tzu over here. Just checking him out. She's like, hey, you're my size.
He's like, no, look back.
All right, you. It's a very dog active morning. Of course, you can see where the sun's going to be coming up. It looks like a fake.
It's so fun.
It's beautiful. All right. It is now, oop, look at that beautiful sun right there. There we go. Good morning, Richard. Good morning, John. So today's good news. Matthew 7:12. Do to others whatever you would like them to do to you. This is the essence of all that is taught in the law and the prophets. And yeah, they call it the golden rule. And these are Jesus's words. And what's amazing is this rule is found in every kind of religion. In one form or another. So for Jesus to use his words to say it means a lot. How we treat others. What does that look like for you? Good morning, Gail. Oops, sorry. Praying for others is definitely a good thing. You pray for others, you know they're praying for you for sure. Gorgeous, gorgeous sunrise. Trying to get some more short stack. You want to get them up in there? That's what Dad would do. So as you go out, think of how you want to be treated. With respect, with sincerity, with compassion. And sometimes, you notice how somebody will give you a break when you're just having a moment. And that means you gave somebody a break when they needed it. And William, I love that. Because we all try. Sorry. We were short stacks. Short. So we were down there. I'm sorry, this is all over the place. Come back here a little bit. Okay. There we go. And sometimes we try and do great things. But you know, even when we aren't always the best, we do have a chance to reboot. All right, come here, buddy. Yep, let's see. It's too cute. I know sometimes it's easy to get frustrated. It is so cool to watch that sun climb up in that cloud real quick. Hey guys, it's Rob and Sugar. You want to go over there and say hi to Sugar? Huh? So in just a minute, that sun's going to pop back up over that cloud. I said he's about 1.5 years old. So we are here on this beautiful Sunday morning promoting our offer Paws friend, Short Stack. And he's a sweet pea. Of course, trying to see him. What do you think, Chubbo?
10 out of 10.
He's a 10 out of 10. So the golden rule, the golden colors. No really golden colors today. There's a silver lining. I'm just trying. There it is. You too, Holly. So as I'm sitting here, I'm just thinking about this verse. Because it seems so simple. And yet there are times you can question, how is someone treating me? And if they're not giving me their best, am I checking myself instead of blaming them for being grumpy, tired, or whatever, or even making excuses for my attitude? Am I being sincere when I think about how I treat others and how I do want them to treat me? I mean, it's like when you think about Jesus, he was peaceful in so many aspects, the way he's depicted in all the stories. There's a couple of times he raises his voice, and that's just to get a quick attention. But he still speaks calmly the majority of the time. I know working in a classroom, there are some of those kiddos especially with second graders. They're so cute. But sitting down is not always their thing. So out of my little room, I have 3 that need to sit down all day. Or be reminded to sit down. And it's like after the 10th time you have to ask them to sit down, that gets a little frustrating. But I know they're being kids. And I know that they are just excited to be there. And I know how I respond to them is going to make or break whether or not they're going to want to come to class and participate and be part of school and learn. So it's so important on checking ourselves. Are we being giving enough? Because grace is actually really easy to give. Good morning. Hello.
Did you see it like pop over the horizon?
I know, it's gorgeous
So
this
beautiful.
morning. So we'll take a quick look at the sky. It's hard to move away from that beautiful sun.
I know.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
So our friends Jill. Good morning. They're here. Oh, there's Paul. Everybody's showing up.
Another all for Paws, huh?
Yes, sir. That's short stack. And Dave's not here. I was like, perfect dog.
Come on, Libby. Libby.
Okay. I'll show everybody our friends here. Look at that surf. Okay. I think we're gonna. So there's Paul. Oh. Is he passing the test? Yep. It's a good day. So remember our little friend here. He is looking for a forever home.
Wanna go over and see?
I'm thinking he's a Dotson mix.
Stop knocking over.
Say yeah. I know, isn't he adorable?
Oh my gosh.
He'd be great for
It literally looks like a tiger in his face.
Yep.
Yes, you do.
So I was trying to fix my camera.
Sorry, I just stuck my finger in your eye.
Sorry, I'm gonna make you a little sick. I was trying to fix the camera. So I apologize. I'm gonna get back to the sun. He really is cute, Patsy. So if you know of anyone who is looking to add to their family, short stack could be the one. Okay. Well, we're getting ready to sign out.
Are you?
So, I know it's a beautiful, peaceful morning. So today's verse was the golden rule.
Do unto others as you have them do unto
Mhm.
you.
But I was really challenging people to think. It's like if someone's not treating you right, are you checking yourself or are you trying to get mad at them? Or you just give them grace, because sometimes some people just, you don't know what they're going through.
Right. And
All right.
to remember, like, that they are not your enemy,
That's very true.
you know?
There's one true enemy.
Yep.
All right, you want to pick them up, Chelsea, and we will.
So cute.
They're so cute.
So enjoy your Sunday. All right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Trying to get the sun. Okay. So, God bless you.
God keep you.
Thank God to help you make His choices.
Today and every day.
And remember short stack. And He's looking for a home. So, thank you all for being here.
Well,
And we'll give Dave your love. All right. Have a great day. Bye.